Okay, here's a quick run through of how to use this 20-ounce tumbler mock-up. See here in the layers panel you have a folder called tumbler. If you expand that by clicking there, you'll see there's some options here to choose: with or without the straw, lid with straw and lid without straw. And here is where you add your design. So you can either double click here, which is the smart object thumbnail, or you can go to layer, smart objects, edit contents. When you're in there, you can paste your design, and then resize it as required. And then you close that and say yes. And there's your design on the tumbler. It's also possible to duplicate the tumbler. Just close that there and then drag that over the plus. Now you've got two. If you make sure you've got this move tool selected, and then the way I move it, you can either drag it with your mouse. We can do it with holding down shift and left on the keyboard, left arrow. And there you go, you've got two tumblers now. The only thing to bear in mind is if it's made a copy of the smart object. So if you edit one, I'll edit both of them. I'll just give you a quick example. So for example, I move that down there. It's going to do it on both of them. If you want to make them each unique, for example, if you wanted to have two designs, you've got to go to right click the text area and then create new smart object via copy, and then you can delete this one. Now when you edit that one, it'll be unique. So that's how you'd go about making a 3 tumbler display showing the full wrap of your design. Just run through that again. Select that smart object, new smart object via copy, get rid of the other one, double click the smart object, move the logo, let's have a different color this time, add a new layer, choose a color, drag it underneath the logo, and there you go. I think that's all there is to it. There's the option also of being able to change the background. Here's one. It actually comes with a gradient overlay with blue, but yeah, you can change that to whatever you like, or have it transparent, put something of your own behind it. There you go, that's it.